Screw bolts to panels 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 11. This step requires a total of 37 bolts. Join panels 6 and 7 to panels 4 by inserting bolts. Lock them by inserting and securing 6 eccentric fittings. Join the panel 1 by inserting bolts and 4 dowels. Lock it by inserting and securing 4 eccentric fittings. Join panels 8 by inserting bolts and 4 dowels. Lock them by inserting and securing 4 eccentric fittings. Join panels 2 and 3 by inserting bolts and 8 dowels. Lock them by inserting and securing 8 eccentric fittings. Join the panel 11 by inserting bolts and 8 dowels. Lock it by inserting and securing 8 eccentric fittings. Join the panel 9 by inserting bolts and 4 dowels. Lock it by inserting and securing 7 eccentric fittings. Join panels 10 by securing screws. This step requires a total of 28 screws. Attach 4 hinges to doors 5 by securing 8 screws. Join doors 5 by securing screws through hinges. This step requires a total of 16 screws. You can adjust the door's position by loosening, moving, and tightening the hinges.